Welcome to Paradise, Discovering Cancun. Cancun. The name alone conjures up images of turquoise waters lapping against powdery white sand, where the sun kisses the horizon and the waves whisper secrets of the sea. Ancient Mayan ruins whispering tales of a bygone era standing as silent sentinels of history amidst the lush jungle. And vibrant culture bursting with life, where every street and plaza is filled with the rhythm of traditional music and the colors of local art. This Caribbean gem nestled on the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico is more than just a beach destination. It's a place where the natural beauty of the land meets the rich tapestry of its cultural heritage. It's a place where history, nature, and adventure intertwine to create an unforgettable travel experience, offering something for every kind of traveler. First-time visitors are often captivated by Cancun's unique blend of relaxation and excitement, where you can unwind on the beach or dive into thrilling water sports. Whether you dream of lounging on pristine beaches, exploring underwater worlds teeming with marine life, or delving into the mysteries of the Mayan civilization, with its ancient ruins and fascinating history, Cancun has something to offer every traveler, from families seeking fun-filled adventures, to couples looking for a romantic getaway. The moment you step off the plane, you're greeted by the warm tropical air and the friendly smiles of the locals, who welcome you with open arms, instantly setting the tone for a memorable vacation filled with warmth and hospitality. Cancun's allure lies in its ability to cater to a wide range of preferences, offering activities and experiences that appeal to all ages and interests, making it the perfect destination for families, couples, and solo adventurers alike, each finding their own slice of paradise. So pack your bags, grab your sunscreen, and get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey to paradise as we delve into the heart of Cancun, uncovering its hidden gems and must-see attractions, ensuring that your adventure is as enriching as it is exciting. Planning a trip to Cancun is a breeze thanks to its popularity as a tourist destination. With its stunning beaches, vibrant nightlife, and rich cultural heritage, Cancun has something for everyone. With a little preparation, you can ensure a smooth and enjoyable vacation. From packing the right essentials to knowing the best times to visit, a bit of planning goes a long way. Here's a guide to help you get started on your Cancun adventure. Best time to visit. Cancun boasts warm, sunny weather year-round, but the best time to visit is during the shoulder seasons, from April to May and September to October. These months offer the perfect balance of great weather and fewer tourists. During these months, you'll enjoy pleasant temperatures, fewer crowds, and lower prices. It's an ideal time to experience Cancun without the hustle and bustle of peak tourist season. Getting there and around Cancun International Airport, or CUN, is a major hub with direct flights from major cities worldwide. This makes it incredibly convenient for travelers from all over the globe. Once you arrive, getting around is easy. The airport offers various transportation options to suit your needs. Taxis are readily available, or you can opt for a rental car for greater flexibility in exploring the Yucatan Peninsula. This allows you to visit nearby attractions at your own pace. Within the hotel zone, buses run frequently and offer an affordable way to get around. They are a great option for budget-conscious travelers. Accommodation choices. Cancun offers a wide range of accommodations, from luxurious all-inclusive resorts to budget-friendly hotels and vacation rentals. There's something to fit every budget and style. Choose the option that best suits your budget and preferences. Whether you want to splurge on luxury or save on a cozy stay, Cancun has it all. If you're looking for a pampered experience, the all-inclusive resorts in the hotel zone are an excellent choice. They offer a range of amenities and activities to keep you entertained. For a more local vibe, consider staying in downtown Cancun or in one of the nearby beach towns. These areas offer a more authentic experience and a chance to immerse yourself in the local culture. The Hotel Zone, a bustling 14-mile stretch of pristine beaches, luxurious resorts, and vibrant nightlife, is the epicenter of Cancun's tourist scene. This lively strip offers a plethora of activities, dining, and entertainment options to keep visitors entertained day and night. One of the main highlights of the Hotel Zone is its stunning beaches. With their powdery white sand, crystal-clear turquoise waters, and swaying palm trees, these beaches are the epitome of a Caribbean paradise. Spend your days swimming, sunbathing, or simply relaxing on the shore, soaking up the warm Mexican sun. For those seeking a bit more adventure, the Hotel Zone offers an array of water sports, including jet skiing, parasailing, and snorkeling. Explore the underwater world and discover the vibrant coral reefs teeming with marine life. As the sun begins to set, the hotel zone transforms into a vibrant nightlife destination. From lively bars and nightclubs to world-class restaurants and beach clubs, there's something to suit every taste and budget. Cancun is renowned for its breathtaking beaches, each with its own unique charm and allure. From the bustling shores to the serene hidden gems, there's a beach for everyone. Whether you're seeking a secluded spot to relax and unwind, or a lively beach with plenty of activities, Cancun has a beach for every taste. The variety is truly astounding, catering to both adventure seekers and those looking for peace and quiet. Playa Delfines, known for its iconic Cancun sign, Playa Delfines offers stunning panoramic views of the Caribbean Sea. It's a must-visit for anyone wanting to capture the perfect vacation photo. This wide, sandy beach is perfect for swimming, sunbathing, and spotting dolphins. The expansive shoreline provides ample space for everyone to enjoy. Playa Chacmul. Located in the heart of the hotel zone, Playa Chacmul is a popular spot for swimming, sunbathing, and water sports. Its central location makes it easily accessible for tourists. With its calm, clear waters, it's also a great place to try stand-up paddleboarding or kayaking. The gentle waves make it ideal for beginners and seasoned paddlers alike. Playa Norte. Situated on Isla Mujeres, a short ferry ride from Cancun, Playa Norte is renowned for its calm, shallow waters and powdery white sand. It's a picturesque escape from the hustle and bustle of the mainland. This idyllic beach is perfect for families with young children or anyone looking for a tranquil escape. The gentle waves and shallow waters make it safe and enjoyable for all ages. Playa Maroma, located south of Cancun, Playa Maroma is consistently ranked among the most beautiful beaches in the world. Its natural beauty is simply unparalleled. With its pristine white sand, crystal clear turquoise waters and lush vegetation, it's a true slice of paradise. A visit to Playa Maroma is like stepping into a postcard-perfect scene. Section 5. Ancient Mysteries Mayan Ruins near Cancun. Cancun's allure extends beyond its stunning beaches and vibrant culture. The Yucatan Peninsula is home to a wealth of ancient Mayan ruins, offering a glimpse into the region's rich history and cultural heritage. No trip to Cancun is complete without a visit to Chichen Itza, one of the most famous Mayan archaeological sites in the world. Marvel at the iconic pyramid of Kukulkan, explore the ancient ball court, and learn about the fascinating history of this UNESCO World Heritage Site. Perched on a clifftop overlooking the Caribbean Sea, Tulum is a unique and picturesque Mayan ruin. Explore the ancient temples, wander through the ruins, and soak up the breathtaking ocean views. Located about 2 hours from Cancun, Ekbalam is a lesser-known Mayan ruin that's well worth a visit. Climb the Acropolis, one of the largest Mayan structures in the Yucatan, and admire the intricate carvings and stucco decorations. Venture into the jungle to discover Coba, a sprawling Mayan city with towering pyramids, ancient temples, and hidden pathways. Rent a bike or hire a rickshaw to explore this fascinating site. Section 6. A splash of adventure water activities in Cancun. Cancun's crystal-clear turquoise waters offer a playground for water enthusiasts. From snorkeling and scuba diving to swimming with whale sharks and exploring underwater museums, there's an aquatic adventure for everyone. Cancun and the surrounding area are home to the Mesoamerican Reef, the second-largest barrier reef in the world. Explore the vibrant coral reefs, swim alongside colorful fish, and discover the underwater world. From May to September, whale sharks, the largest fish in the world, gather in the waters off the coast of Cancun. Join a tour and swim alongside these gentle giants for an unforgettable experience. Dive into an underwater world of art at Musa, an underwater museum featuring over 500 sculptures. Explore the submerged galleries and witness the fascinating interaction between art and marine life. Explore the Yucatan's network of cenotes, natural sinkholes filled with crystal-clear fresh water. Swim, snorkel, or dive in these mystical underground rivers and caves. Section 7. Beyond the Beaches, unveiling Cancun's cultural side. While Cancun is renowned for its beaches and resorts, venture beyond the tourist hubs to discover the city's rich culture and authentic charm. Immerse yourself in local life at Mercado 28, a bustling market where you can find souvenirs, handicrafts, clothing, and traditional Mexican food. Practice your haggling skills and find unique treasures to take home. Experience the heart of Cancun at Parque de las Palapas, a lively park where locals gather in the evenings. Sample authentic Mexican street food, enjoy live music and dance performances, and soak up the vibrant atmosphere. Delve into the history of the Mayan civilization at the Museo Maya de Cancun. Explore the exhibit showcasing ancient artifacts, learn about Mayan culture and traditions, and admire the panoramic views from the museum's rooftop. Experience the best of Mexico in one place at Xcaret Park, an eco-archaeological park offering a variety of activities, including swimming in underground rivers, exploring Mayan ruins, and watching cultural performances. Section 8. Savoring Cancun, a culinary journey. Cancun's culinary scene is a delightful fusion of traditional Mexican flavors and international influences. From fresh seafood to spicy street tacos, there's something to tantalize every palate. Indulge in the rich flavors of Mexican cuisine at one of Cancun's many authentic restaurants. Sample traditional dishes such as mole, cochinita pibil, and chiles en nogada. Being a coastal city, Cancun offers an abundance of fresh seafood. Savor the catch of the day at a beachfront restaurant, or head to a local market for a more casual dining experience. No trip to Mexico is complete without indulging in the vibrant street food scene. From tacos al pastor to elote, Cancun streets are lined with vendors offering a variety of tasty treats. Cancun also boasts a diverse international culinary scene, with restaurants serving everything from Italian to Japanese cuisine. Whether you're craving a taste of home or something new and exciting, you'll find it in Cancun. Section 9. Cancun After Dark Nightlife and Entertainment. As the sun sets, Cancun comes alive with a vibrant nightlife scene that caters to all tastes. From lively nightclubs to intimate bars and beachfront lounges, there's something for everyone. Experience the ultimate Cancun nightlife at Coco Bongo, a world-famous nightclub featuring acrobatic shows, live music, and a high-energy atmosphere. Dance the night away at Mandala Beach Club, a beachfront club known for its stylish ambiance, international DJs, and stunning ocean views. For a more laid-back vibe, head to La Vaquita, a popular bar known for its quirky cow theme, affordable drinks, and lively atmosphere. Cancun also has a thriving live music scene with venues hosting local and international artists. Check out the listings in local magazines or ask at your hotel for recommendations. Section 10. Cancun Essentials, Tips for a Seamless Trip. To make the most of your Cancun adventure, here are a few essential tips to keep in mind. The currency in Mexico is the Mexican peso. It's best to exchange your currency at banks or ATMs for the best rates. Tipping is customary in Mexico. A tip of 10 to 15% is standard for good service at restaurants, bars, and for taxis. While English is widely spoken in tourist areas, learning a few basic Spanish phrases will enhance your travel experience and show respect for the local culture. Cancun is generally a safe destination for tourists, but it's always important to be aware of your surroundings and take precautions to protect yourself from petty crime. Pack light, breathable clothing, swimwear, sunscreen, insect repellent, and a hat. If you plan on visiting Mayan ruins, comfortable walking shoes are a must. Mexico has a rich culture and history. Be respectful of local customs and traditions, and dress modestly when visiting religious sites.